I'm not even joking. It's strong.
I mean, feel it out. Take it.
Yeah. Seriously.
I know how fast it is.
No, I mean it really
I'm
does.
I'm talking like how strong do you think? How much
really
do you think it can pull? What do you think its limits are?
I mean, you got a high-low right here. Let's put it in.
Yeah. You know what?
Think it'll pull it?
I really do think so. Like she is.
All the way up.
All right. Acceleration.
I'm gonna turn down the acceleration too. One here. I have no idea on weight on this thing, but.
You not even trying?
Yeah.
With ease, dude. I mean, yeah.
What else? Think it'll pull? Think it'll pull a vehicle?
Nope.
Might.
I mean, if it just pulled this and you wasn't trying, you might as well just try hooking it up to the vehicle, see if we could do it. I mean, it's worth a shot. What do you think?
Yeah, try it out.
I'll try it.
I'd go right to your truck and trailer, nice and full.
Truck and trailer?
Yeah, I mean, miles just jump right up and do it right.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We said a vehicle. And you said truck and trailer.
Yeah.
All right. Ton of weight in the bag. We got about 95 batteries in the bag. Jack. We got that Ford, that Super Duty. What is this? A
350?
F350? Come on now. I don't see it happening. I don't see it happening. Hey, what up?
You don't think it's gonna happen?
I don't think it's gonna happen.
You don't think it's gonna pull that?
Nah. Dude, look, we got a F350. Not even just an F350. We got about 95 batteries in the back and trailer. There's no way.
12 batteries.
12 batteries. Look. 12 batteries back there.
I'll jump in it.
And a trailer. She in neutral?
She is in neutral.
Let me just show
the audience here.
She's right there in neutral. And here we go. Wow, what?
Do a lap around the building? I'll pull you around wherever you want to go.
Yeah, let's go around the building. Okay, yeah, I'm going in a truck because this ain't making sense. Hold up, hit the brake. Hold up, Nick. I gotta get in the truck. No foot on the gas.
Nope.
In neutral. Getting pulled by the cart. All we doing is guiding it. Bro, what? And
You got a strap.
I think we broke a strap, but I mean, it did it.
Sure did, dude.
I mean, yeah.
Hey, I had no doubt at all in the Navitas. Dude, the Navitas is a strong motor. But hey, we're gonna test its limits and we're really gonna figure out what she can do because, you know, that's what we're gonna do.
Now that
What about tell our customers what they're really getting? You know, what you can really do with your golf cart.
exactly, because if we pulling all of this and y'all just seeing neutral, no gas, we really gotta put her to the test. All right, so last video we had the evolution, the, you know, overview and everything. I just want to see how it's gonna do against the Ripper. All right, so y'all see my reaction to, hold up, let me put this window up. Might be a little bit easier to hear me. Like we said last video, it has a slow takeoff, but after a while, you know, it starts to pick up. It's not too bad. Like Nick said, it's a little bumpy. Let's go find Brad real quick, and I want to see what that Ripper got. Oh, she rips though. See, I could do this one. Oh, yeah. I'm telling y'all, that thing ain't no joke. Thank God for this windshield. Look at this. Look at that. Jesus. All right, here we go. I'm about to get him. Nope. I don't know what we gonna get that's gonna keep up with that, because look, he already gone. I don't know what we gonna get that's gonna keep up with that.
That could if it get turned up, but
Right.
try to turn her up. She's got the big motor, the little lithium match, but again, it ain't no Navitas either.
Right, exactly.
But I mean, it's just, I think if I turn this thing down half the way,
Uh,
I'd still beat it. The way it's
it would.
We're gonna figure out how to turn it up, and I think she'd be a better contender.
I mean, yeah.
These tires are a little sketchy when you're going across cement at 20. Let's go see what Nick's thinking, and yeah, go from there.
All right, sounds good.
Battery weighs like 68 pounds.
Okay.
It's about 60 pounds. Safe no.
60 pounds per battery.
Per battery. Yep.
You just gonna drag it on the floor like that?
Dead weight.
Dead weight. Okay. All right.
Weight.
Let's see what she got.
1,532 pounds.
Woo.
How much scheduling for next?
1,532 pounds.
1,533 pounds.
36.
36 pounds.
Yeah.
1,536.
1,536. We're gonna have to readjust.
We might have to readjust a little bit.
I think you should strap around the whole base.
Okay. That works.
Yeah.
Wish we had like a pin. Be like a pin to one, you know what I mean?
Right.
Let's get something mounted straight.
Yeah, if we had a mount point.
Center mount point.
Exactly.
I need something right here.
Yep.
Right there. Yeah. Let's see that. I don't know how strong this is, but
Well, we about to find out. Hey. Take two. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Woo! I knew she could do it. Man. Yeah, that thing ain't going nowhere. She did it though.
burning the tires and shit, but
I mean, hey,
it still
you,
hold it.
you have to get her moving somehow.
It's still hold.
Need to rework this suspension.
You think so?
Trying to retire.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll do it. I tell you, like, we barely hit it.
That was barely hitting it?
We barely hit it.
Oh
dude.
my god. Oh my god. God damn.
Like, I think that body stiffened the whole frame up and everything. And I think what we need to do is we need to put this up on the rack and we need to put those frames on.
Yeah.
See, it was a good thing that we broke it. Otherwise, we never would have known. You see what I'm saying?
But we got these like, supposed to be running boards.
Okay.
But Brad and I are like, let's go look at it.
So this is the okay.
So they mount up on the side of the car.
Okay.
And this actually, it's a connection point. I mean, it'll strengthen the car up a ton.
Yeah, we should have had those all from the beginning.
All right, so that's a wrap. Really gonna push her little limits and drive her right in, and this OEM body on it. I think we're onto something here. All right, till next time, boys. Peace.